Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming account state and basic app health. Sign into Daraz and make sure your email and phone are verified. Without verification, some actions fail. Once done, update the app to the latest release, clear the app cache, and restart your phone to remove stale data. Also test connectivity, toggle Wi-Fi and mobile data, or open a browser to ensure the internet works. Doing these first eliminates common causes so you can focus on the real error. Now reproduce the error deliberately and capture precise details: the exact message, any error code, and the time it occurred. Take screenshots and, if available, collect device logs or use a browser's developer tools to record network requests and console errors. Try the same action on another device, browser, or account to determine scope. This distinguishes account-specific issues from client or server faults. Once you have this evidence, you can choose the appropriate fix path with confidence. Finally, apply focused fixes based on your diagnosis. If it's a settings or profile issue, correct fields and reauthorize payments. For client faults, reinstall the app and reconfigure. For network or checkout errors, retry with a different payment method or VPN. After each change, test the exact action to confirm resolution. If problems persist, submit a support ticket to Daraz including screenshots, timestamps, and logs. One key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.